Hi friends, welcome back to channel Sidekicker. In this one, I'm going to compare the PUBG 1.7 default graphics comparison test between the Dimensity 800U versus Dimensity 1200 chipset. So right now as an example, I'm trying to use a Realme Narzo 30 Pro which has got the Dimensity 800U chipset. As you can see, friends, exact details of the processor, which is 6GB RAM variant, which I'm trying to use at this moment. You can clearly see here. And now let's see, using this Dimensity 800U processor comparison with the Realme X1 Max device, which has got the Dimensity 1200, how much difference it can be there with the default graphics comparison. That is what my main idea of comparing between this both processors side by side. Which processor is really capable of playing at 60 FPS and 90 FPS, all those things I'll try to discuss in this video. So, which we do know in the Dimensity 800U processor, we cannot play with 60 FPS unfortunately. Even though the phone is really very good, processor is really good supported to play high refresh rate games, but still the default is restricted to 40 FPS before. But right now we'll be able to see what is happening with this latest update. So let me show you, friends, PUBG version 1.7. As you can see clearly, which is 1.7 only. I'm trying to use latest PUBG version, and is a default settings comparison. You can clearly see smooth and ultra settings, balanced ultra, HD and ultra. HDR is not supported unfortunately. Even right now we won't be able to play it 60 FPS in the Dimensity 800U chipset. It's kind of really annoying part at this moment. You can clearly see, friends, whereas the Realme X1 Max is far ahead of this Realme Narzo 30 Pro, because Realme X1 Max, which can actually play at 90 FPS, which is supported, but the Realme UI at this moment is restricted only to play at 70 FPS to maintain some kind of thermal throttling issues. So that's the reason it's capped exactly 70 FPS. So you can see Realme X1 Max default graphics settings, HDR and Extreme, even Ultra HD also playable in this device. Unfortunately, still the Dimensity 800U need to improve a lot in terms of the optimization for particularly for this kind of processor, because right now you'll be able to play, I think, maybe close to 40 FPS you may be able to play. So these are the default FPS you'll be getting, as you can see, friends, exactly while gaming, in case if you want to play in this Dimensity 800U processor at this moment, unfortunately. And whereas the Realme X1 Max capped at around 70 FPS you'll be able to play, as you can see. So that's, friends, this is a quick default graphics comparison test comparison between the both phones regarding the Realme Narzo 30 Pro versus Realme X1 Max, Dimensity 800U processor versus Dimensity 1200 chipset, just to give a clear idea what is going on between this both processors. So I thought of making a video which will clearly get to know what is going on. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. This 4D vibrations is not working at this moment, unfortunately. While gaming, I cannot use it even while I'm trying to play the game. It's not working. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Until then, bye.